Hello class, this is Professor Wilson. Welcome to CTC 101. I'm really excited to have you in my class for this term, and I'm looking forward to a successful term. I would ask that you dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily on coursework. It's a critical component to making sure that you're able to complete a coursework without being too overwhelmed. Please make sure that you engage actively with me and your classmates. In an online class, engagement is really critical. So try to make sure you really correspond and get to know your classmates. In addition to that, I will ask that whenever you enter a course, think about your end goals. Really work hard thinking about why you're doing this. That should help you stay motivated as you pursue your degree and ultimately move on to have a successful career. I'll see you all when our course opens up on Monday, June 27th. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Go Eagles.